Hi, Assalamualaikum. So today I would like to present about my review paper, which is deep learning model based on CNN architecture for rice plant disease detection. As we know that rice is one of the most important main foods in the world because it gives millions of people something to eat. However, at this moment, most of the way to find disease in rice plants involve physical checking by field experts, which can cause a time consuming. Traditional methods also often take too long to figure out what's wrong with the plant, which means they can't get help right away after the disease get worse. Therefore, it is impractical ways, especially for the larger size of crop yields. Also, the lack of effective ways to find the disease can cause the speed of rice production are in low quality. So, for the research objective, uh, for the first one is to achieve the accuracy in disease identification of rice plant. Second one is to enable rapid and automate disease detection. And the third one is to provide scannable and efficient solution for agricultural environments of the rice plant disease detection. Next is the significance of the solution. So what is the significance of this solution? This solution can provide a practical and effective ways for farmers for detecting their rice plant disease. Next, this solution also can help farmers to identify their rice plants quickly and efficiently. The third one is this solution can provide high opportunities for production rice and it can give the accurate result. Next is the methodology, which is the solution for this research. I'm using the convolutional neural network CNN model for the solution. Why the CNN can give the solution? CNN can provide a solution for detecting rice plant disease due to their inherent ability to learn and extract meaningful features from visual data, such as images. The architecture of CNN is specially designed to handle complex pattern and hierarchies present in images, making them particularly well suited for computer vision tasks. So first is the feature learning. CNN excel at automatically learning relevant features from raw data. In the case of rice plant images, the network can identify distinctive patterns and texture associated with different disease. By learning these features during the training process, the CNN become capable of recognizing disease-related characteristics that may not be apparent to the human eye. Next is the hierarchical representation. CNN employs multiple layers of convolutional and max pooling layers, creating a hierarchical representation of the image features. This additional layer captures simple features like edges and gradient, while deeper layers learn more complex and abstract features. This hierarchical approach enables the model to understand the composition and structure of rice plant images, which is can improving the accuracy of disease detection. As we can see, this is the architecture of CNN. The image from the image of rice plant, it will spread into three layers, which is convolutional layer, max pooling layer, and three full. And then after process, it will connect with the connected layer and give the classification of the disease of the rice. Next is the limitation of the research. So for the first one is a data availability. The success of CNN model is rely heavily on the ability of high quality and device dataset. Limitation in obtaining comprehensive dataset with a wide variety of rice plant disease sample could impact the model generalization. Next is the single crop focus. For this research paper is specific on the rice plant disease only, which may limit the model applicability to other crop types. So for the potential for my future research is first real-time disease monitoring. With integrating the CNN model with real-time monitoring using IoT device, drone, and sensor could enable early disease detection and timely consuming. This approach would provide farmers with action more for implementing precise and targeting disease control strategy. Next is the transfer learning and data augmentation, which is to overcome data limitation. Future research could explore the transfer learning techniques, which is pre-trained model CNN model on related tasks and fine-tuning them for rice plant disease detection. So that's all from my presentation. Thank you.